Hello middle schoolers! In this video we're going to look at how to move throughout our grid and kind of what's on this initial page. If you're already confident with starting at 1A and you understand how to use the buttons and this document that your teacher went over in the mini lesson, you can stop this video right now and just move on. However, if you don't, let's go over it again. So we're all starting at level 1A. This is the video that you are watching right now. And when you're finished, you're going to move on to the next task. Now, some of these links are going to be videos, some are going to be activities, some of the links are going to be in your packet, some are going to be spread throughout our room. But your whole goal is to move throughout downwards and then go back up to B and move down and back up to C and move down. And now at the end of every level, you're going to have a quiz, and this is going to be talked about more later when you take this quiz. Don't worry, there's a video that tells you how to do it and finding all of the steps. But when you're finished with your quiz and turn it in, you're going to level up and go to level 2. Go to level 2, you go all the way down, back up, all the way down, back up. You see, it's pretty easy. And at the end of the level, we have that quiz again that we expected, and we'll take that quiz and turn it in and level up. And the most important thing of our grid is understanding where you're headed. So the minimum opportunities for a grid is to get to the test. So your minimum step in this unit is to make sure that you get to level 3J, where you will take that test. You'll obviously start at H and move your way down, start at I, move your way down, and then the minimum opportunity that we're going to get to is this J, and anything above J where that test is located is considered enrichment. And this is a wonderful opportunity that many grids give to have a dive deeper into the content. If you continue to scroll up, you'll see that our tracking pages are here, and we'll be talking a lot more about that in 1B, so don't worry, that's to come. And then as you move all the way up, you'll see that we have our unit calendar, and our packet, I think I bypassed, is linked here as well. And we'll be talking more about these links. But right now you are at the start here, and you now know how to move throughout your grid. The next task is going to look at the unit calendar. I'll see you there.